How to use Cowrywise for your child's education savings. You can easily use Cowrywise to save for your child's education by creating a dedicated goal-based savings plan or setting up a Nest account. These tools allow you to lock in purchasing power, automate consistent contributions, and inflation hedge wealth in Naira or dollar. So how do you go about this? All you have to do is to click on your profile. The profile is the picture, your profile picture that is right at the left corner of your screen. You click on Next. After clicking on Next, you click on Start the journey. After clicking on Start the journey, you input your child's details, the child first name and your child last name. Then you input your child's date of birth. After inputting all the necessary details, all you have to do is to click on Continue. After clicking on Continue, you select the amount that you want to save for your child. We have 20,000, 10,000, but you can also select the amount you have in mind by clicking on the plus sign. In this case, I'm going to click on plus sign and I'm going to type in 10 million naira. So after doing that, after selecting the right amount you want to save for your child, then you click on create and is next, which means in your own case going to be your child's name. Create so next. Then from there you transfer money into the account, either by using the account you've linked to it or bank transfer.